guys, welcome to my AndWin Tech channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to upload high quality videos on Instagram Reels. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you want to upload high quality videos on your Instagram, then I will show you how to do this. First of all, you need to update your Instagram app, open your Play Store, search for the Instagram. If your Instagram is not up to date, then update it from here. After updating, then go back, open your Instagram. Guys, below you can share your profile icon, just tap on this. After that, you can share top right side 3 line, just tap on this. You can share settings, just tap on this. After that, you can share account, just tap on this. You can share cellular data use, just tap on this. Guys, you can share high resolution media, just tap on this. Guys, you can share by default it is selected Wi-Fi only. You need to select cellular plus Wi-Fi, just select this one, then go back. That's it guys. So in this way you can upload high quality videos on your Instagram. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.